Citizen Action Party of Sikkim has come out in strong opposition of the statewide odd-even rule announced by the state government. The CAP has declared non-compliance against the government's directive, terming the move anti-people and detached from ground realities. And party spokesperson Mahesh Rai alleged that the government's justification of the rule under the banner of austerity and fuel conservation was a gross misinterpretation of the Prime Minister Modi's appeal for voluntary conservation measures. The party stated that the Prime Minister has not called for draconian restrictions that inconvenience ordinary citizens. The CAP further accused the state government of attempting to overperform before the central leadership at the expense of the people of Sikkim. Taking the state's difficult terrain and limited public transportation system into account, the party said enforcing a blanket odd-even rule across all districts would severely impact daily mobility and livelihoods. The party further argued that its members and supporters would not comply with the odd-even regulation and would refuse to pay any penalties imposed under the rule. It instead urged authorities to reduce administrative expenditure and unnecessary wastage. The party has demanded immediate withdrawal of the odd-even notification for private vehicles and called for alternative fuel conservation measures.
आम जनतामाथि त्यति सहज रूपमा नजाने डिसिजन्स चाहिँ अड इभन रुल सारा राज्यभरि नै लागू गर्ने, हरेक डिस्ट्रिक्टमा लागू गर्ने यो नयाँ नियम जुन चाहिँ आएको छ त्यसमा हामी सिटिजन एक्सन पार्टी आपत्ति जनाउँदै यो भिडियो सन्देश जारी गरेका हौं। किनभने पहिल्यै त जति पनि गाडीका मालिकहरू हुनुहुन्छ, चालकहरू हुनुहुन्छ, उहाँहरुमाथि ठूलो मर्का चाहिँ ट्याक्सको वृद्धिले गराए। यति धेरै ट्याक्स बढेर गयो अनि त्यो ट्याक्स बढेपछि चाहिँ आम जनताले अब गाडी चाहिँ एक वर्षमा 6 महिना मात्रै कुदाउन पाउनु पर्ने, त्यो भन्दा धेरै कुदाउन नपाउनु पर्ने, त्यस्तो नियमहरू यहाँ सिक्किममा लागू गराउँदाखेरि आम जनतालाई मर्का पर्छ भन्ने हामीले ठानेका छौं। आज जिम्मेवारीपूर्वक आधिकारिक रूपमा सिटिजन एक्सन पार्टीद्वारा हामी यो जानकारी सरकारलाई गराउँदै छौं कि हामी अड इभन रुल पालन गर्दैनौं।